the agent kwaSimphiwe for properties. Now sinale view ngesinayo namhlanje apha eLitha township. Ngicela nje ubone umphandle lo wayo nje. Just look at this side also. You have a big space at the back, and also your Jojo tank at the back. You can just come inside. Now, this is your dining area, as you can see. This is your kitchen. This is your bathroom area, toilet yako. Then this is your first bedroom. And then this is your second bedroom. If you want to offer, please do so. Please contact me 067 961 4538. Please do follow us. Sikona go TikTok, sikona go YouTube, sikona go Instagram. Please do follow us even on Facebook. Please like and share. Thank you for your support. Enkosi.